touch the rain. Yo, what is up, guys? Gene over here, back with another video. It's been a minute, just been busy with work, and honestly, I had like this issue with my GoPro, and it was just making it really annoying to use, and that was kind of inhibiting me from making videos and stuff. So we got the blade out here, letting her warm up. No general topic for today. I'm just gonna be riding to the gym, and it's gonna be a short video. I'm just gonna talk about the bike and who knows what else. But let's get it going. Ooh, I got some new shoes. They are crispy, white. They won't last long. You guys already know, if you ride a motorcycle, one side is significantly going to be dirtier than the other because the shifter, the pain. I really like white shoes. Yeah, I've just been addicted to them lately. Yeah, I've been learning how to wheelie. Not good, but like baby wheelies. Let these tires warm up. I've also been playing around with my camera. Can never get the right. I recorded a video yesterday, and I'll have to delete all the footage. You know, I was going like crazy. I wasn't going too crazy, but I was getting it in on the highway, and it was some pretty good footage, man. And it was cold that day, so I'm just like, I just wasted time. And I froze to death. Oh my god. My Cardo headset just told me it has low battery. Why, man? Actually, it's not that bad. I'll make it to the gym, and it should make it home as well. The good thing about the Cardo, which is like the audio unit for the helmet, it will tell you low battery, but honestly, you got like a good like hour left, I think. Like, it lasts pretty long after you get that first low battery. So, but yeah, I just been busy with work. I picked up a second job. It's not going so good. They cut my hours, so that sucks. So I'm actually looking for another job. Gotta work, man. I've been good myself. I've just been working out every day. The bike's been good. Besides, like, it starts really slow, and I think I just need a new battery.